Barn owl by Kailr. Habitat: the barn owl. They live in many places, such as meadows. The soil is not wet. They live in old houses. Diet: the barn owl eats small mammals or little birds. Predators: the barn owl predator is raccoons, a kind of snakes, eagles. Adaptation: the barn owl has heart-shaped face, long legs, and lay eggs and feathers, dark spots. Classification: the barn owl lays eggs. They build nests out of twigs and sticks. They have long, heart-shaped face. Fun facts: they cough up pellets. Glossary: habitat is home of stuff. Diet is food. Predators is what eats it. Adaptation is the important part. Classification is what it looks like. We're excited.